Mindful eating is a powerful tool in sustainable living. By opting for locally sourced and organic foods, Gen Z and millennials can significantly cut down on carbon emissions related to food transport and production. Plant-based meals not only support health, but also substantially lower one's carbon footprint. Embracing seasonal produce ensures fresher meals and reduces the energy consumed in food preservation. Reducing food waste by planning meals and using leftovers creatively can make a huge difference in personal and global sustainability efforts.